Good afternoon. So I can see people are already giving attendance for this live session. So let me wait a few minutes more for others to join. In the meantime, you can just continue giving your attendance if you have joined this live session. Yeah, good afternoon. I think few of you have joined. Nilanjan, Ashik Pal. Good afternoon to all those who have already joined. I just want to wait a few more minutes so that others may complete the lecture session, the pre-recorded video, and join this live session. In the meantime, those who have joined, if you have any questions, any doubts from our today's lecture section on time and work, you may just try to put up. Okay, so let us begin slowly. That I hope all of you have attended today's the lecture session, which was based on time and work. And as I have already mentioned in the lecture session, the pre-recorded video, that I had planned that on request of some of you in some of the sections. Some of you wanted to know about time and work, how to solve this kind of problems. So that's why I had taken this as today's topic. So if you have gone through the lecture thoroughly, you have seen that I have talked about three models there. One was the basic representation model, where work is taken as proportional to the number of persons, days, and the number of hours. And we had a very easy formula to do a set of problems, which is W1 by W2 equal to P1 D1 H1 by P2 D2 H2. So we have done two problems on that. And next was the unitary method, where we look into the capacity or the efficiency of a person. So a large number of problems basically can be solved by that second unitary method. And the third one was the measurement of work, where we measure the amount of work done in terms of man hours or man days, and then equate the total amount of work done on both sides. So as I can see some of the comments here, some of you have written no doubts. So just I will wait 1 or 2 minutes more to some more people to join. And if there are no more queries on the lecturing session, then I will put up some questions for you, and I will ask you to answer here.
ডান হাতে ধরো, ক্যামেরাটা উপরেই ধরো।
Okay, and as I had already written in your Google Classroom, please do give your attendance here. This attendance of this live session will be considered equivalent to your classroom attendance when you used to have your offline classes. Okay, still I think attendance is coming. Still I could see no queries. So everybody has understood all the questions. So I hope everybody has understood the questions discussed in the lecture. Please write a yes or no so that I'm sure that there is no doubt. Okay, some people are coming up with yes. Fine then. Okay, so fine, that I already saw many yes, and I think people are also joining, around 70 people I can see here. Okay, so now maybe I will start, in case you don't have any doubts. So I will start some problem solving session as we used to always do in offline class also. So I hope the first question is viewable to you. So I read the question once. A and B together can do a piece of work in 8 days. If A alone can do the same work in 12 days, then B alone can do the work in how many days? Yeah, somebody is writing for assignment. Yeah, I have given time as per HOD's instruction. We all are trying to follow that, and I have given you this time up to tomorrow 9 a.m. morning, so you can do it. I hope in the evening you can easily finish. And one thing I would like to tell, that because today's lecturing session is on the time and work, the assignment is purely on this topic, time and work. So if you have gone through the video lecture thoroughly, and if you just follow now today's live session, I hope you would be able to do all the problems. So you can work with it in the evening and submit in tomorrow morning. Okay, so I had already read the question. Somebody is answering. I see 2-3 answers. Shotya Prakash, and then Shoromi. Yes, some more answers. Yes, all have written 24 days. Yes, that's absolutely right answer. So now those who have answered, it's very good. You have answered nicely. Now what about others? Have all of you understood the question and it's clear how to work, or do you need an explanation? If anybody, some more answers are coming, it's very good. But if there is anyone in the session who wants how the answer came, is in doubt with the question, can please write. Yes, many of you are writing C. C is 24 and somebody is writing with a number. So I think I got at least 10-15 answers by now. Okay, so I think it's clear then. And just once, so if you just tally with our video lecture now, so I hope everybody has used the second one, the unitary method, right? A and B works together in 8 days. So that means in 1 day they work 1/8, and now A plus B. and A alone can do the same work in 12 days. So therefore per day the amount of work done is 1 by 12. So now you just subtract 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12 and then reciprocate, you get the answer. Yes, very good. Shapturshi has given an explanation also. Very good. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 12, then reverse it. So nice for your understanding. Somebody has written my formula also, AB by A plus B. That's good. So now I think we can go for the second problem now. I just read it once and I hope you can see it also. A can do a piece of work in 4 days. B can do it in 5 days. With the assistance of C, they completed the work in 2 days. Find in how many days can C alone do it. So this is a problem again with the same unitary methods. Only thing is that now you have 3 persons A, B, C. That formula also I have discussed in the lecture. So please come up with your answers. Yes, somebody, Shatta Prakash has already answered. Let me wait some more answers. Shatta Prakash, like just the previous one, you may just give your explanation also. And I think if we understand, we can just get the answer in few seconds. 20-30 seconds. Yes, very good. That's what. A, B and C, they are working in 2 days. So the capacity or the amount of work is half. Then for A, it's minus 1/4 and B is minus 1 by 5. And then you reciprocate. Fine. Shaptoshi is also writing the explanation. Very good. So many answers are coming. So I think we have understood this question. So then let us go for the next one. Next one, question number 3. A and B can do a piece of work in 6 2 by 3 days and 5 days respectively. They work together for 2 days and then A leaves. In how many days after that B will complete the work alone? Yeah, Rohit Raj also had written an explanation. That's good that you people are following the video and doing the problems. So now I am waiting for your answer for this third question. So A can do the work in 6 2 by 3. That means 20 by 3 days and B in 5 days. They work together for 2 days and then A leaves. In how many days after that B will complete the work alone? Any answer? Yes, some people are answering. Yes, very good. 1.5 days. Right, the option B, 1.5 days. Okay, let us wait for some more people. Yes, everybody is answering rightly. So I hope others also, those who have not yet answered, can do the problem. This is again by the unitary method, and also basically you can just do the measurement of work method also in this case. Okay, so shall we go for the next question then? I just go down for the next question. Question number 4. A work which could be finished in 9 days was finished 3 days earlier after 10 more men joined. What was the number of men employed? So please think over this problem. It's a very easy one, but not of the type of the first 3. So please give a try. Okay, some people have already answered. One person is telling B, and the other person, Shiv Kumar, has written. Achha, okay, that is for 3. Question number 3 was D, right? And now, no, question number 3 was B only, not the D. Yes, now I want the answer for question number 4. People are answering B20. Yes, let me wait for other answers to come. Yes, everybody is coming with option B20. And this is actually, you can just do in a 1 or 2 seconds basically, if you just apply just balancing the work on 2 sides. So if we say that m number of men have to be employed, please see your left hand side, 9 days, and if m number was employed, so m into 9, and the right hand side, it finished 3 days earlier, so number of days is 6, and now 10 more men. So you have an equation like 9m equal to m plus 10 multiplied with 6. So that gives you the answer. Is somebody are writing the equation also? Yes, it's 20. Somebody wrote x is 29. No, the answer is going to be 20. As I just explained you the equation, it is going answer is, your equation is correct, I can see. It's scrolling up first, but answer is 20. Just have a look. Okay. Yes, I think he was understood. You have just retracted. Yes. Okay. So I hope this is right. Yes. Shraddha Prakash wrote it's word mistake. So it is 20. Fine. So now for the next question. A is twice as good a workman as B, and together they finish the work in 14 days. In how many days A alone can finish the work? Okay, so let me wait for your answer. A is twice as good as B. That means efficiency of A, or the capacity of A, whatever we call, it's twice of that of B. So that is your clue to find, and otherwise it's your that AB by A plus B formula or the unitary method you are going to use. So because we are going a number of problems, please write the question number and the answer. Otherwise, some people late answer is coming for the previous question. Okay. Yes. So now I think people are answering for this question number 5, 21 days, or the answer is option B. That's right. Yes. I hope there is no doubt. Yes, question number 5, 21. So it's just see 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by 14. And now you're just use that A is twice as good as B. That's it. So 1 by A equal to 2 by B. If you use, you get the answer. Okay, still answers are coming. Yes, all are writing. Fine. So let us now go to the next question, question number 6. 5 men and 12 boys finish a piece of work in 4 days. 7 men and 6 boys do it in 5 days. The ratio between the efficiencies of the man and the boy is. So what is the ratio between the efficiencies of a man and a boy? So please try this question. Yes, Shataprakash again came with the first answer, 6:5, and that's right. Yes, somebody is writing in terms, Shayandeep, in terms of the option. It's the option D. So once again, this is our third model. Just if you balance the work, you can just get this answer very easily. You can just balance the work and you get the answer very easily. I hope answers are coming, so nobody has any doubt. You have to just frame an equation balancing the work done in both sides and you can get the efficiency. Okay, next question in the pipeline, but it's a easier guy, I think. 16 men can complete a piece of work in 25 days. In how many days can 20 men complete that piece of work? I want a quick answer because this is a very easy one. Yes, Shataprakash gave the equation also. That's good. Now I guess answers for question number 7 is coming. Yes, answer is 20. So this is basically our very easily you can do with our model 1. Just P1 D1, because we are talking about the same amount of work. So W1 equal to W2. So you just have a equation P1 D1 equal to P2 D2 and you get your answer. Very good. Shoptoshi is writing that. Shataprakash is also writing that. So therefore your answer is coming as 20 days or the option C. Okay, I have a last question now. With this question we will close the session because you have to work on the assignment and the IMCOP test also. So the last question here is, if 3 workers collect 48 kg of cotton in 4 days, how many kg of cotton will 9 workers collect in 2 days? This is again your model number 1. You can use your formula W1 by W2 equal to P1 D1 H1 by P2 D2 H2. However, H is not appearing here, so the formula shortens down. Yes, answers are already coming. Many have already answered. So this is again option C now. Everybody has answered. Okay, some people are answering still for question number 7, I guess. Yes, question number 8 now. Yes, 72. An option is also C. Yes, Shataprakash, Shlok Sinha, many people are writing. Shrudeep Roy, Ishita, all are writing 8C. So as I already explained the equation, so just you put it there and you'll get your answer. Okay, so that's all as the questions to be discussed today. So I had already discussed few questions and the models in your online in the pre-recorded video basically, and now we have also taken up some questions. So I hope those who have earlier asked for this topic of time and work, your doubts are clear. I had tried to give you a clear picture of different kinds of problems that comes in this time and work type of questions. We have and so now we will close this session. Your IMCRP test will start, I think, from 2:10. I will provide you the codes through the Google Classroom. In between you can look into the assignment, or as I told, assignment is open for today, so you can just take your time and do the assignment. Okay, so yes, still some few answers were coming. So yes, goodbye. If you have given your attendance already, then bye for now. And if still anybody is left with giving attendance, please give it. and then I will close this session in 1 or 2 minutes. I will share soon the IMCRP codes, and one thing in IMCRP, it will a mixture of questions, not that only time and work, because your second semester is starting. So in IMCRP I have given you a mixture of questions as you're expected to get in your second mid-sem, and assignment is on the time and work as I had told you. Yes, Shuhail is asking, yes, assignment is there. It will be viewable from 2 p.m. as I remember. And finally, but you have time today evening to do that. Yes, somebody is asking, lockdown will exceed. That we have to see what government decides. Anyway, it is there or not, we are continuing our classes. Your exams, online exams will happen, your second mid-sem and finally end term, all will happen online. So yes, everybody stay home and stay safe. Okay, so goodbye for now.